Oh, okay. All right. Thanks.
Whew. I was worried they're gonna get onto me for hitting that boat's wake a second ago. I was gonna say I was nowhere near it. Apparently there's just a lot going on in this area today. I think he said it was a swim competition and some diving. Yeah, that shaking and rattling is my camera trying to unthread itself from its mount. I think I fixed the problem right here, because the base came loose at the clamp also.
That's the first time this has come loose. Oh, wow. I think it's on
These clips are actually a sneak peek of the video, where we compare this 2013 Yamaha to the 2022 Yamaha. What's different? What's the same? I finally see now that the camera is hanging on by one or two threads. It was like it almost fell off in my hand. That was a close one. I'm gonna have to start using Loctite.